Assalamualaikum students, we will discuss now the hydration of alkenes and what do you mean by hydration? Hydrate mean water. Whenever we are going to add hydrogen or if there is a chemical reaction that is responsible for the addition of water across alkene, it will result the formation of alcohol. Here we will follow the Marconics of rule, and because water is an unsymmetrical reagent like this, it is unsymmetrical, and I have told that what is unsymmetrical in my previous video. And here you have any alkene I am taking the example of 1 propene over here. Okay, this is 1 propene. Okay. This is the unsymmetrical alkene over here, and it is an unsymmetrical reagent, and the product will be definitely the Marconics of rule we will follow over here, that negative part of the reagent will go to that carbon atom which is more substituted or having the less number of hydrogen atom. So, the main products that will be formed during this chemical reaction will be CHOH and CH3. Okay, this is the main product. So, this reaction is possible in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. And what is the mechanism of this reaction? Let me start this. Okay. In this mechanism, firstly there is sulfuric acid, okay, and let me draw it like this, a sulfur oxygen over here and hydroxide over here, and it is making 6 bonds. Okay. Sulfuric acid is an acid and it has the property to donate what? Proton. So, you can write down like this, after giving proton OSO3H, it is partial negative. Okay, OSO3H, SO3H, and this hydrogen is going to be leave as hydrogen mean proton. Okay. So, acids have always the property to donate what? Proton. It was the first step of this mechanism. We will move to the second step. Now, it is a nucleophile and it will attack over this electrophilic proton. Okay, it will attack over this proton, and now this proton can attach with this or this carbon atom. It means that in the reaction intermediate there is a formation of secondary carbocation as compared to the primary carbocation. So, CH3 CH positive charge CH3. Okay. In the next step, what will we do? That CH positive, this carbocation is now electrophile and it is attacked by the nucleophilic part of the adding reagent. Okay. So, it will attack over this side, right. After this CH3 CH OSO3H and again CH3. Okay. So, after this particular step, we have another step, that is the hydrolysis of this particular reagent or compound that is formed over here. Okay. Let me give this step over here, that we will do its in the fourth step. This particular CH OSO3H CH3, okay, and then it is undergo the process of hydrolysis and it will result in the formation of CHOH CH3. Okay. It is known as what? Secondary alcohol. So, I hope this is clear to all of you. All the steps of this reaction are clear to all of you, that in this whenever you have an unsymmetrical reagent, what we were doing, that OH will go to this carbon atom that is more substituted, and H will go to this carbon atom which is less substituted and more hydrogen. Okay. So these are the steps that we will follow, and step by step that sulfuric acid is donating the proton, and then it will be act as nucleophile. It will attack over this proton, resulting in the formation of secondary carbocation, and then the negative part of reagent will attack over this secondary carbocation, and then it will undergo the hydrolysis to be create the secondary alcohol, and the secondary alcohol will be the main product as compared to the primary alcohol, because it is an unsymmetrical alkene. Hope this is clear to all of you. Kindly like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.